Did you know it just takes less than 30 seconds, less than a minute to take your phone out of the case and clean it once a week so you don't end up with a phone like this that doesn't last very long? Here, let me remind you. Here are the two kinds of cloths I use. I use a microfiber cloth and then a microfiber cloth, two different kinds. This one's like called dust-free. They're basically free. There are a few bucks on Amazon. Go get you these cloths. Use your favorite cleaner and you can just spray on just a small amount onto the cloth. Don't ever spray directly on the phone. And then with that tiny little bit of cleaner, just clean your phone, again, once a week, all the way around, take it out of the case. I trimmed down an old paintbrush, and these old paintbrushes can get into the little grooves, all the little grooves, your charging port, if you have a headphone jack still, and you just clean it up, clean around your camera. It's as simple as an old toothbrush or an old paintbrush. And if you don't clean it, this is what you end up with. Just look how disgusting this is. The speaker jacks are completely clogged. This feels like it's a health hazard. Look at that grossness inside there. So please, once a week, please take your phone out of the case. Please wipe it off. Please clean it. Your phone will last longer, and you won't ever have to have a gigantic chore of cleaning out your speaker little ports there. All right, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, please consider a super thanks. Thanks for watching.